of the total cost of the car now to you know.
What we will be our driver crew has here. What power nama na o car and go be to. Kitwe be crying cost be a best 5,000 Ghana cedis. Na ka say o pay claim e wo be your insurance na hade. O meet me drag go be 3, 4, 5 months. Unya ka prewom na nso no afeso na wonya wo insurance aban no be push you with the police be abeg sika na come. What the government is thinking of and say, okay, company we wunya be $20 million as your profit. Emu 10% kwa buy ho. E no na buy dwen ho. Na omo no mu tie sika na company na sika na buy na fa ho. And it's not only now, it has been in the system for a very long time. Did I make us say, why are nam so you to road ready no? The roads are not ready for our cars. But you have to pay.
So now what do we do as a country?
No, sad. Until I make ya baba to abaname company ma Cheddar.
Oh, no company ma Cheddar.
Yes.
This is about the third time you are telling me.
I'm telling you, sir. Yeah, but I felt say Npp And Ndc for all these 32 years, you know. So more will be pound betting me Ghana at me di mpoma. You bet me Ghana. I compare other countries Ghana for. And Npp And Ndc.
Nana, you know what worries me most? Accra Kumasi Kwai. Governments go, government come. And still the road.
Maybe nimu se kwaya no so mo yene so mo amene papa no bewu aminim.
Nana sakabio.
No, me say me nim say aban no so mo ye kumase ne o mo ye bi o me kofie no mo amene na o ye no mawu fi nti no mo so mo nye no.
Accra Kumasi road.
Me nim, I don't understand. Kwaya a major road. Ghana nyina a major road no number 1. For how long ni? For the past few you may come me there. Kwaya bi da boom junction.
Hold on, Akofa.
For to kromo sa na mafo hako. Aka o major road wa yanka o kwa 15-20 minutes go do. Nana,
our country is sick.
And me, I don't see why. What exactly the problem?
I just don't think. I sometimes I
say, hey, yeah, because I mean, yeah, enjoying that we don't think about.
But I not me. Kai say time and I rolling city so no. Or can be afa Npp And Ndc. Or see these people, they are practicing what we call you scratch my back and I scratch your back.
Yeah, somehow.
And it's exactly what is happening now.
A lot of evidence to prove to that.
You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Now I'm going to be brave. Attorney General briefing. Aquaco si saying.
And this is a buying bass because no more time from Operation Ora.
Operation Recover All Loot.
I was saying.
I mean, meaning. Now we are joking as a country. We are joking as a country. And when you ask the questions, what they'll tell you that they are gathering more evidence. And to the only evidence is now. Meaning that you have the evidence. Start the prosecution.
See, me can say at least to see Adebia obi anye bi da no. And as a wo ya ebe hia say obe bra dwendwen ho a. Say ade obi aye bi da wo so wo ye bia. Just copy and paste. Say ya mra na ya ne bebrebe na mra me say Trump bass yi. Ojiga so be bibia. O kan na no ata say ye ho adwuma papa court. Oluzu obesia kwa appeal. No oguso time na court ndi zanwie na o ye de o ye no. Is it oba o say immigrants in now?
Yeah. Oh no, are starting the action rather than.
What shall I see all teaching growth? Because they are telling say it may affect some people who are innocent. Yeah, but a lot of them criminals. Because who are immigrant now what you krum now say what call say Germany or could be a US now New Yorker. Obi a wo ya ho obi ko pay na wako repu obi a always 15 years ah. Who say anybody adwen know him.
Adwen know him.
Yes, obi a wo ya immigrant. Ebi kwa woni ba bi a woda. Na mo a demonstration na wako robi stoma ko lutu no ma. We are criminal.
First class criminal.
I didn't know. Aban no even though your constitution no some of them may be have for so ni so. Nti aban person take a decision you start working out. So be the court. Oh ye wadwuma. Actually the court no case on penia. Now once I'm going to appeal because there are a lot of things that they say obi a wo ye contractor. Accra Poku Asenin Sawom Hui. A very busy road. When you first saw I could see Africa.
Nana, me John so. Sa kwan the crass SOMPA from your bank and for mentally. Every day. You go every day. I could say. Go ahead. I friend now almost say, Oma release it 400 million Ghana cedis. And the ama contractor and say, Omra no me juma elkwan so. Now go share a juma contractor the crass. Nana Abba.
Oh, see,
Abba.
I sad, but at times.
No, nya. Enso ya maniska. Nana yankasa na ye wo man no no. Apart from aban no. Yankasa timemufo ni bi no. Ye suban nye nana.
Be no dey o kan ye because suban born ntin ya twusu panimu ho no. Nana for bi wo suban born ntin ya say yafa panyi yafa police say obi jimi ana ya twena so.
Sure.
O ka say obi amfa na adwen na ono anfa man na. O ka say obi na be nza na. Nka ehia say nka yema police for ni court nza no man nyina ho. There are people who misbehave. Sana ni opportunity. And ntino ya boka na ya to abayi mpanyimfo na mo implement the laws. Ntino me obi ka say amanfo nse say o ma adwen amanfo say o ma adwen. Me say no Ghana ni a onum suo na odi pio tato abonten. Okodu Dubai se see ye onum suo na roba no onye odi be hye ne botom. It is not people, it's about those who are leading us. So we a leader na obi across red light. Na o mra na bonipa ne ka ebi kwa kodema ma ade a che a. Ochina bi no obi cross red light. But obi di when you across, nothing happens. Ochina you be forced to do the same. Ghana hands you talk. No obi ball like one fee no. No obi hwie gu ball gatanum. At time video bet circulate ya obi say won say dia brandy we ye ntimi ankoche no. Ka nipa say ya chewa. Yenye ne kude o. Ya chewo na ka ye doko gina Independence Square. Okay? See, me the way I me dwen no, I think differently. When say your uncle for baby o ha ensu oto a ombetuma for mo ball akofie gu ayi gata no e na ye hu obi dia aba social media obi ye nanim ni na ya che no na ya bodwa kese e wo Independence Square na ni video na ida social media na obi anim no ya yi say sumasi na yes ano oni ni ya jeli ni 5 years ye de ne ko na ye na take ne konsa wom
Nana
na sa obi bi o hye man hwe ba bi ensu oto a oba ya very careful
Nana Ghana dear Nana, as we speak now, the last encounter or 3 encounters, I mean, you had made mention of the fact that not even the country can boast of a single airline.
Oh, yes.
She said, "And your man paying A2 coin, Ako Japan, or where transit, Dubai for about 12 to 15 hours. Your man paying president. We don't even have a presidential jet." Country, Ghana, are we joking? Are we serious? How do we look at our president? A riffraff, I beg your pardon?
Yeah,
do we cherish our president?
And you say you need to go.
Because Enam Sembiswa, Wabusu Omechi Tafo,
more opposition,
says some
now, the Meno, I don't think it's even president as a dream. Or mine and Casa Ghana, no didn't the national airliner. Ghana for you to come be being in ano. Sika Yedema Emirates for Yedema
Kenya, Ethiopia.
Who do Ethiopia? Who do Addis Ababa? Now go home airport or aircraft to do a good or mark and so on. Was Ethiopia we there no more saying Ghana and take any one aircraft?
Nana. Say it again. Say it again, Nana.
No, Prof. On some of these things in Ghana, Hano, Sebi, young politics on air tired to the point, say, so what kind of crana? And I'm saying, be an will be political party.
Oh, Nana, me
support or no, do attempt.
Nana, me the attempt cramming for because I don't watch there. Because this show I hear running, it is for God and country. We dream of mine.
Prof, the American say, why Ethiopia?
There
was so many aircraft. And go ahead, me say, what Addis Ababa? Udo many a times. I don't say omono. My name say omo tunnels on the show. Do na udru ha. Bus be fa tarmac no so. It means say plane is here. Na mo yaba mo stairs. Na mo nyina mo fa stairs. Mo see na bus be fa mo. So you will see the tarmac say aircraft ni go so uncountable. So many. Udru Dubai. Now we aircraft a good pack a good a yellow pre-pack and so I mean I know we are loop pre-pack and so what. No say na Ghana you need 10. Already 10 pe.
Nana 10. Nana yo ba ho.
Obi
Ghana Airways.
Obi able to for hundreds of them to make a
Ghana Airways. And so get krom ha penyimu ba ko oman ni sika twitwi die obetimi afa. And so yan Canada che.
No me anyway.
Yan Canada che. Asem we aye kan. Anya me na ma piti ha na ma bom sire mu ameka ho. Operation recover all routine somewhere bo be catch like Ghana.
Sika akodi
nkrofo koto. Akosi sen. No, I mean, me Patrick, I mean, kind messages and about 200 messages. And